Good day, everybody. Welcome to another cooking video. Cooking series. If you click on this video, then you're gonna be watching me cook today. I'm going to be cooking kimchi rice. And my boyfriend and I, we were planning what to cook it with. The last time I cooked kimchi rice, I cooked it with chashu pork. The one that you put on top of ramen, I cooked that with kimchi rice. But we don't have, actually we have pork, but we're planning to do adobo with that one. The only other meat that we have is fish. So we are gonna do it with salmon. Una, sabi ko parang, no. Like I've never had kimchi rice with salmon. I said, parang unusual. Sabi ko, mag-pork na lang. Pero sabi niya, pinilit na talaga. He wants to have it with salmon. Naghanap ako online kung anong pwedeng cook sa salmon, kung ipa-pan fry lang ba, okay na ba yun? And I found everyone's video. When I found it, I said, okay, sige, pwede pala. So, sige, yun na lang yung gagawin namin. Ako pala, yun na lang yung gagawin ko today. So, magluluto ako ng kimchi rice with salmon. Pan-fried salmon. Siguro teriyaki glaze, gaya nung kan Erwan. But I'm gonna be doing with other ingredients. So good luck to me. If you wanna learn how I cook my kimchi rice, then keep on watching. Let's go to the kitchen. Watching his game now, so we have to be quiet. So I've already prepped my ingredients. I have onion, garlic, potatoes, onion leeks, and I've also soaked my shiitake mushrooms. Now here's my salmon. It's a half salmon that I sliced into 4.
You love me, huh?
Oh yeah, so we're gonna use samjang as well and chili paste, Korean chili paste. So it's gonna be like a Korean mixed with Japanese version. So first time ko actually magluluto ng kimchi rice with potatoes. Let's see how I'm gonna do it. Some oil or butter. In my case, I'm gonna do oil with butter. Unahin ko muna siguro yung potatoes para maluto na siya, tapos iset aside ko para hindi siya ma-mash. Right. Potatoes in first. Siguro 3 minutes lang. Maliit lang naman. Pinch of salt. And of course, the one and only kimchi. Matagal din pala, mga 5 minutes. Ang bigat nito kasi. Ito tayo ng malakay. Bigas pa naman. So yan, tinabi ko na muna yung potatoes and started with the onion. Onion muna kasi mabilis masunog yung garlic. So, do this first. Pag medyo nagiging transparent na siya, add na natin si garlic. Garlic time! So, pag in-add nyo yung garlic, make sure you mix it all the time para iwas sunog. Mix nyo lang ng i-mix pala. Stir. I mean, toss. I don't know. After mag-brown ng garlic, lagay na natin si kimchi. Oh my god, ang bango. So, pagka gumagawa ako ng kimchi rice, hindi ko na china-chop yung kimchi ko kasi I like my kimchi big. Para matitikman ko talaga yung kimchi. So, add as much as you want. The more kimchi, the more flavorful it's gonna be. So cook this for like 1 minute. Diba? Ang sarap kaya pag matitikman mo mismo yung kimchi. I don't like it when it's chopped so small. Kasi hindi ko na siya matikman. I prefer like this. Going to add the onion leeks, hindi yung green part. Kasi the green part will be for garnish. Wow, garnish.
Oh yeah.
Cooking the kimchi a little bit. If you don't like your kimchi to cook, then you can skip this part. But I like mine a little bit cooked. Yung hindi na siya bright red. Then, for umami, I'm going to get my shiitake and then add a little bit of that liquid gold. Pagitna natin siya para may liquid sa gitna. Tapos dito ko na itutunawin yung chili paste and yung samjang. There you go. So, ayan. Tunawin natin sa gitna. Take 1 heap teaspoon lang sila. And then, slowly combine. Sarap. And then, pag wala kayo ng shiitake, kahit tubig lang. Just so it's gonna melt. And it's not gonna be too dry. Ayan. We want that paste to combine with all our ingredients. Sarap. Add ko pa onte. Para ma-cover niya mabuti yung rice natin. Diba? Ready. I'm gonna quickly chop the shiitake. Put aside ko muna para hindi masunog. Okay, so time to add shiitake. Yum, 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 yum. And now, the rice. Ta-da! I think I overcooked the rice a little bit. I mean, put too much water. Tada! Medyo na-overcook yung rice. Medyo madaming tubig. Pero, this is the way I like it. Siya kasi gusto niya yung naghihiwa-hiwalay. Ako gusto ko yung kakanin. So, done with the rice. Now, let's cook the salmon. Leftover water ako from shiitake. Lagyan ko lang na konting soy sauce. Okay na yan. Konti lang. Diba, super, hindi siya dark. And then, konting sesame oil. Siguro tigo 1 tablespoon lang lahat. 1 tablespoon lang ng sugar. Hindi ko alam yung ingredients ni Erwan, pero naalala ko naglagay siya parang teriyaki, no? Pero hindi ko alam.
Okay, so the pan is hot. Lagyan natin ng olive oil.
You want egg? Hindi ko mahanap yung kaduksong.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I just separated it so that it doesn't get mashed. I'll use it as garnish. I'm gonna heat it up though. Forgot about the potatoes. Enjoy, honey.